Today, we are making an easy tzatziki sauce recipe. Let's see, we are going to need Greek yogurt, an English cucumber, minced garlic, dill, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Those are some fresh ingredients. This should be good. Let's see what we have to do to make this easy tzatziki sauce. What's next? That is a lot of water that came from that cucumber. Did you know cucumbers were mostly water? Let's see what we do next. I bet we are ready to put this tzatziki sauce together. Hey, big guy, how about some more garlic?